Welcome back to the property. So with this last project, I left y'all at this. Well, I was planning on coming back to connect the trailer to take it back over there. That way I could put the tank on there and be done with this project. But as you can see, Mother Nature has other plans. And then all the stuff that we bought for the RV, because we're here, I don't have the keys. Keys are in the Jeep, because that's what I drove last. And the other keys are also in the Jeep. So, to be continued. Yep. Sorry, y'all. You willow. So here we are back on a different day. And now we're back. It's Sunday. I'm here at the property. I went ahead and hooked up to the truck. Now we're gonna get it taken over yonder. Let's go get this tote mounted up to this trailer. Okay, so I got it over here. But after forgetting a couple things at the house, having to go back for that, and then getting back to the property, meeting the neighbor, talking to him for a little bit, and then going into town to get lunch. Now I'm back. I'm getting the tires aired up. This one's already done. So I want to finish doing that, and then we'll get the tank up on to the trailer. All right, tires are all aired up, the best they're gonna get. Eventually I'm gonna have to get some new tires for this, or at least some good used ones. But let's try to get the tank up here. It's only me. Glad it still can't help me lift nothing. Whoa, now. Yeah, it's about centered. At some point, I'm going to get a strap, basically go around right here in the center to hold this, be able to lock it in with a lock. And then on the back side, I'm actually going to, I have some like hurricane straps. I'm going to go ahead and attach that to the wood in the back. That way it won't slide off the trailer, which I don't foresee this moving that much when it's full of water, but I don't even think we're going to be able to fill this all the way up because, for one, I don't think the trailer can hold that much weight. But anyway, let's get it strapped down and then let's start putting water in it. Well, as I was putting this up there, it bit me. There's actually this little piece of metal right here that I'm going to have to cut off. So whenever the trailer fell down, that cut me. So now I got blood and sweat into this project. No tears yet. And I don't think I'm going to get to that point. At least I hope not. But one thing that does make me sad is straps are still at the house. Because we ended up buying some toilet paper holders and a towel holder for the RV when we went to the store. And the associate, when she was ringing stuff up, I do remember her placing those straps that I'm using to tie this down inside that box of the towel holder. And that's still at the house. Not here on the property. So, dang it. I don't think I'm ever going to get this project done. Or if I do, I will get it done. I will get it done. It's just, to be able to stay on a schedule, it's really hard when I'm constantly having to go back and forth. But here soon, we'll be on the property because by the time you guys are watching this, our mattress should be here. That's the last thing we're waiting on. So, story of my life. I don't know, call it a woman's intuition or whatever it may be, but my best friend, my partner in life, the wife, the second that I got done recording, well, I give it less than 5 seconds, all right? That I got done recording saying that I had forgot the straps at the house, that they were still in the box with the towel holder, that she texted me saying that she's on her way. And I immediately called her and she's like, "You forget something?" Yes, I did. And she's bringing them here. So, I'm such a lucky man. And here I go again, forgetting what I bought. I thought I only bought 2 of these, but I actually bought 4. So, I'm going to go ahead and slide this back some. I'm going to put 2 of these up here. But I do want it to wrap underneath the metal to be able to go up and around the foot of the tank, but also going around the metal because that's basically what holds it where it's located at on the trailer to where it's far enough forward. And then I'll put 2 more in the back just to stop it kind of going from side to side. So let's get these installed. Okay, we're all strapped in, so let's see how it does. Pulling behind the truck, and let's go get it filled up with some water. Definitely gonna have to get some better tires, but oh well, we'll see how it does in the meantime. So the biggest thing I want to check right now is just the flex of the springs. I want to see how much water I can put in here before it really starts weighing down the trailer. And, you know, let's just give it a good rinse. Okay, I think for the purposes of the test, that's about as much as I want to do with this tire. So Let me go pull this around a little bit and hopefully this tire doesn't blow up. Let's go. I thought I had you guys recording as I was coming around, but go and check it out. Made it over. I actually ended up running into that tree a little bit. Oh well. But this is basically where it would be coming for the most part, which that tree actually does need to come down. But I would have it sitting in front of the RV because our water is basically for city water, right? Because I do plan on putting a pump and eventually filtration onto the trailer. And then our city water connection is right here. Boom. So just be able to run a line over, utilize this tank first, and then we would utilize our holding tank on the RV when this one's getting refilled. All right, you guys, so there we go. Continuation to the water buffalo or mule or whatever you want to call it. A trailer for hauling water. So that is the tank installed. I only filled it up just a little bit just to be able to see how the trailer rides. Obviously, I need to get some better tires. Plus, that little tiny RV filter that we have up at the well, I think is already clogged, even though we've only used it a couple times because it's not meant for that. It's not meant for a well filtration system. And just the amount of pressure that was coming out of the hose compared to the amount of pressure that we should be having coming out of the hose is two completely different things. So with that being said, we'll look into some better filters, water filters and such, or even just putting it straight in from the well and then treating this water in the tank the best we can after it's already came out of the well. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on that, let us know down in the comments. It's greatly appreciated. And you can also check out the links we have down below. It helps us grow. Share us out to your friends. And give us that thumbs up if you like our content. And last but not least, remember, always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.